Greetings, everyone. Today we will start chapter number 7, Androcles and the Lion. Characters. We need to understand who all are the characters in the story. Characters are the ones who speak the dialogues or perform the actions. It can be a person, an animal, a thing, or any creature in the story. Let's read about all the characters. First one is lion. You can see in the picture there is a lion. With the lion, there is Androcles. Androcles was a slave. He was forced to obey his master. Next one is master, a rich man in Rome who owned many slaves. Master had many slaves. He was a rich man in Rome. Fourth, warden. W-A-R-D-E-N, warden. Warden is a person responsible for the supervision of a place. So there was a warden, then there were soldiers and guards, and last there is a emperor. These all are the characters in the story. Before we begin, we must know their names, right? Scene 1, Forest. Setting. What do you mean by setting? Setting is the time and place of a story. Children, the setting of the story keeps on changing. It depends on the event or the scene taking place. So, in the beginning of the play, the setting is a forest. There is a big rock that Androcles can sit on. So, on the stage, there is a big rock for Androcles to sit on. Now, Androcles enters the stage, rushing and panting. He is breathing heavily. He stops at the middle and bends forward as if trying to catch his breath. He is extremely tired. Probably he was running. He is carrying a water jug. So, Androcles enters the stage. He is panting. He is breathing hard. He stops at the middle and he is trying to catch his breath. Also, he is carrying a water jug. Lion is lying down at the edge of the stage. Edge means borderline. There is a lion, not real lion. It may be a soft toy which is lying down at the edge of the stage. Edge means borderline. E-D-G-E is pronounced as edge. Narrator. Now we need to understand who is a narrator. Narrator is a storyteller. A person who tells a story or a person who describes and discusses the events taking place. Let's read what he tells. You are about to meet our hero, the slave Androcles. Points to Androcles. Life as a slave in ancient Rome was usually very difficult. Slave means a servant who is forced to follow his master. So life as a slave in Rome, that is in Italy, was very difficult. And he lived, he, Androcles. Androcles, the hero of the story, he lived under one of the cruelest masters in the whole city. Cruel means a person who causes pain to others, or you can say a selfish person